Probiotics. Their name sounds like poetry. Literally, they mean in favor of life. But what are they precisely? Probiotics are living microorganisms that, when taken in adequate amounts, offer a health benefit to their host. For instance, probiotics can help restore and maintain intestinal flora, protect against pathogenic microorganisms, boost immune system, and even prevent or treat diarrheal diseases for some. There are many probiotics of different natures, bacteria or yeast, and in different forms, fermented foods, supplements, or probiotic drugs. But beware, not all probiotics have the same effects. Their manufacturing process and their specific formulation make them unique. Among all probiotics, some have been widely studied in numerous scientific studies, demonstrating their health benefits and their effectiveness on specific diseases. Choosing the right probiotic is making the right choice for your health.